Hello Team TFT and welcome back to a new week of the Daily Market Outlook video. So this week we're obviously going to cover the usual victims, DXY, Euro USD and GBP USD. First of all, we'll have a look at the economic calendar, see what we got coming up. So as we can see here, we do have a bit of red news around the New York session. Tonight we've got the CPI numbers coming out of the US dollar, so that could create a bit of volatility in the Dixie and also then affecting the USD and the GBP pair. So just be careful if you are going to be looking at taking trades today. Try and get them in at the London and out before the New York session there. And then later on the week, we've got a few more instances of red news coming through. So we're just going to have to be careful about when we're trading this week and be wary of those news events. Now, here on the Dixie, so we saw last week we had this wick out the bottom. We were range bound here, so that take liquidity at the bottom, and then we've rocketed up like this, sweeping all this liquidity high through here, and we've sort of range bound in here. Now, if we have a bit of a closer look in here, we've had a pull up, and then we've sort of pulled down, pulled back up, pulled down, and then we've sort of gone long again, and we have failed to break this high here. So what could this mean? Well, there's two things we could see happening here. Is it possible this could be like an A, B, C correction coming back before going long. We could also be starting to work our way with a break of structure through here. We could be starting to see our way going long now. So we could actually have had this here could be the A, B, C coming back, and now we're looking at going like this. We've come up, broken these structural highs, come back down, retest these levels before going long. So there is a couple of instances here that we could be seeing playing out. So we just have to be a little bit mindful, and I'm sure we'll get more of an idea when the news from New York plays out tonight. But as of today, I still think we're going to need to just look at the basic structures here and just go on that. So we can see we've come down here, then we've come back up, we've broken this structural high. So, going on the 4-hour structure, we should be going long. Okay. So basically what we're looking for now is down on the 15-minute, where are we looking at to go long from? Well, we can see first of all here, we've got this big area down here. So I've had this massive big impulse, it'll pull up like that. So we could take this last bearish candle here. If we make sure that we're getting into that candle there, that last bearish impulse candle lower. Now, as you can see, we have re-tapped into this zone before going higher. So, if you want to take a better risk to reward, you could come down to this area. But ultimately, if you want to be in the trade, take the whole candle there. So what we could be looking at today is a couple of different instances. We have got a little bit of gapping here in the market, which a gap that will need to be filled. So the way I see it today is possibly going into that area and going long, or we could possibly see a push up, retest to the midline, and then go long from there, which is another higher probability trade as well. So basically that's what we're looking for now. Euro USD. So Euro USD had a great little midline play out yesterday. So if we were looking at going long, had this push up, sweep the liquidity highs, come back, tested internal structure, and then ultimately went long. So basically what we're looking for at the moment is we've seen on the 4-hour here, and this is where it's differing to the Dixie at the moment, is this low has broken this low, which is telling us it's probably going to go lower. Which, obviously with the DXY, we're looking at going long today, sort of plays out the same way as well. So, we've had this pull down, we've had this march back up, and then we've sort of set internal highs there, broke structure, and then come back down. So what we would be looking for is a couple of different things today, definitely going short here at the moment. So we come down on the 15-minute and have a bit of a closer look and see what we've got. So we do have this extended wick that's sitting at the top here. It did create liquidity on the Asian high here. swept Asian high liquidity and then came down. So that's probably area number 1 that we would be looking for to go short from, or area 2 would be a possible come back up into this area up here before going short. Again, we've had this, we sort of had we had liquidity highs here and here, which we come up and broke. We had another high here, which we broke that liquidity high through there, because we had that area marked out. So obviously that got taken as well. So there's probably orders open up here, and we have not been back to retest that area yet. So again, that could be another possibility for today. So depending on again, timing and the markets, we're looking for this. We could also be looking for this, or possibly see the highs get saved, retest midline, and go lower from there. So they're the 3 plays for Euro USD that I'll be looking for today, based on that analysis and the correlation with the Dixie. GU. So we'll go to the 4-hour on GU. Get rid of these. Okay, so we seem to be setting highs and lows here. So we've set high, had a slight pull down, high, slight pull down, high. We've come back down, retested this low. So this is probably just internal structure at the moment. So we could say from here to here is the high. We've had this pull down now. Now we're working our way back up. Again, we could be looking at going long here on GU. What do we got higher time frame wise? Yeah, the internal structure here is long, but we have ultimately had this leg come down, and then we've had this leg come up, and this leg failed to break the low. So what we could be looking for is a come up, retest of this area, and then be going short as well to match the narrative with the Euro and the Dixie. So what I would like to see today is, I'm sure if we go into this area here, down on the 15-minute, we've probably got some open orders in here. Again, probably in around this area that we could definitely be looking at shorting from. So that would be a possibility for me, or a probability for me, and then also this one here as well would be another probability for GU today. So yeah, based on that, guys, that's probably my analysis on GU as well. Again, if you're going to trade today, just be careful where you're trading around. That news at the New York session can be quite volatile, and yeah, you don't want to be breaking your stops and that sort of stuff, and over leveraging. So, right, guys, well, we'll wait and see how this plays out today, if there's any trading opportunities, and we'll come back tomorrow, do another evaluation. We can have a look at any possible trades that played out yesterday, and see how we go. Right, guys, thanks for your time, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group, tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.